It's Friday, June 5th, and apparently we've been slacking on harvesting greens because I went out this morning and there was a lot of stuff that I had to cut out. This is all lettuce. It's a combination of butter crunch. This guy's black-seeded Simpson. And we've got some romaine. So that'll fill several gallon bags for us. We had to take out all the pak choi. It was getting like flower buds, and they've been being attacked a little bit by slugs at night. So wash those all up. They all look really good. A little bit of chard, a little bit of arugula, which is also just about to bolt, and spinach. The leaves are obviously drying, and that was also just about to bolt. So we're pretty much out of spinach and arugula, and pak choi, but we'll still get more chard and more lettuce throughout the coming weeks. It is Thursday, June 11th, and we have our first tomatoes coming in. It's Tuesday, July 7th, and just want to do a quick garden update. Things have not been growing very well this year, especially root crops. And I've been thinking about why. And Stephanie pointed out that the soil is kind of contracting. It's kind of hard to see, but it's pulling away from the side of the bed. And I think what I've realized is that the compost we put in to sort of refill the beds, there's something wrong with it this year, or we put in too much of it, and it sucked up a lot of moisture, and it kind of became clay-like. So like the soil is not loose and friable, it's very hard. And that makes it so things like beets don't grow very well. And I think it's stunted a lot of other things too. But anyway, got some flowers here. One of our cucumber plants. You can see there are some flowers. Lemon drop pepper. No fruit yet, but there are a couple of fertilized flowers on there, pollinated. One of our cherry tomatoes, we've gotten a few ripe ones. You can see there are some more. Our other cucumber also has a few flowers. I think this is the Tabasco pepper. You can see we've got some nice fruit on there. Carrots, chard, parsley, some beets, like I said, are doing poorly. Oregano, kale, basil that we just transplanted out here. And then we've got some beans, bush beans, that we just planted here. And there's some more bush beans here. You can see they're just sprouting. And parsley there. Here are our green pole beans. They're doing okay, climbing up the trellis. Our squash plant that we're trying to get to climb. And again, you can see some flowers on there. Our other cherry tomato plant, doing pretty well. This is empty for now. It had some beets that we took out. Carrots, broccoli that we just planted. Kale, some scallions, which are also doing very poorly. More beets that are doing really terribly. These are really awful. No growth at all, hardly. Kohlrabi. This is a bush bean, rock door yellow bush bean. More kohlrabi here. More scallions, and the chives. In the big bed, we've got some marigolds, lots of lettuce. These are the ahi rico peppers. More lettuce, just tons of it. The lettuce has done great this year. Roma tomatoes, going slowly. I'm kind of worried about that. Brussels sprout, really going slowly. Should be a lot bigger than that by now. Peas, these are starting to die back, so we will remove these today. We picked some. It's done okay. Cayenne peppers here. More lettuce, and then the brandywine tomatoes. Lots of flowers, but no fruit there yet. Okay, here are the raspberries. All looking good. And again, you can see we're going to get a tiny bit of fruit this year. All right, so like I said, I'll take out those peas, and I'm actually going to plant broccoli and cauliflower in their place. But that's what the garden looks like on July 7th.